Hello people, welcome to our YouTube channel, CHAPPIE. I'm Richard and this is Robert, and together we are making CHAPPIE, the customizable disc golf cart we have developed. In this video we are showing you how we make this frame. Let's get right into it.
So we're simply using an angle grinder which fits into a holder to cut down our steel tube framing. The dimensions of the tube we are using is 16 by 16 millimeters and the material is 1 millimeter thick. So here we are using our own 3D printed expansion plugs which holds M6 nuts. So here we are fitting the sidebars into the side frames. The side frames will be shown in another video called Heavy Metal Bending. Now here we are putting the second side frame on top of it and the second sidebar, just to line everything up and see everything fits, so we can make our markings for the holes. Once we got all the holes centered down and we can start drilling, from the outside we will drill 10mm holes and from the inside we will drill 6mm holes. So if you fit actually an M6 bolt in there, the head will fall into the frame and be not visible anymore after you have touched the sidebar frame. So next thing up is to fit the handlebar onto the frame. Let's take again another 2 back bars and then we're just going to line everything up to punch the holes for the handle. So once we had punched the holes and drilled the holes, it was time to try out for the first time in our lives rivet nut pliers. And this short cutout shows you how we managed.
Two hours later. Eventually.
So how this actually works is to set the top handlebar to 6, which corresponds to your M6 rivet. You put the M6 rivet on and you make sure it's flush with the thread, like that. Put the rivet in with the pliers, hold the top handlebar and start ratcheting. Until it's pretty tight, and then you simply switch the ratchet like that, untighten it, and then get the thread out of the rivet nut. So we simply replicated this 3 more times so we could fit the balls into the handlebars and onto the metal bars. So now we need to fit the handlebars onto the side frames. Again, we line everything up, start punching holes and drilling them. And again, we are using these M6 expansion plugs with M6 Allen key bolts. And once we got all the 4 screws tightened for fitting the back frame, basically the handlebar, so to speak, then all there is left to do is to fit the last 3 bars of the frame. Starting with the bottom bar. Tighten everything down. Make sure it's nice and tight. And last but not least, the 2 bars on top of the frame. So now the montage of the frame is pretty much done. Fit there your backpack in. This is a mini bag of Innova discs. And this is the end result. We could not resist to fit already a wheel on there, or fit, basically just line up and see how it looks.
Thank you very much guys for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll be the first person to know if we upload a new video. See you later.